Now I'm going to use the Husky compression puller. So to use this, you need to insert this thing. You need to insert it inside there, and then you need to attach it like this and let this thing insert it through. After you insert it through, you need to insert this thing also inside. I need to find this thing. Now I properly insert it. Now all I need to do, just turn this clockwise until turn it until the puller works by itself. We're gonna pull it out. Okay, keep turning, turning. You can remove this as well if you want to. Turn it. Now it's pulling right now. See? Until you are able to pull it, the whole thing out. Now it's working. Just you need to have patience to do this. It's working properly. This one is unnecessary. You can remove this as what I said, but just keep turning this. That's what I'm doing right now. It's a little bit tight. Now it's already been pulled. As you see, the periole has already been removed inside. So I'm done. That's how you guys use this Husky puller. Easy to do it. Once you guys replace the spigot like this, you need to buy the whole kit that it comes with the compression ring or periole, and it comes with the nut. But you need, before you install it, you need to clean this up. You need to use the sandpaper to clean this up so that it will grip this copper ring. See the copper ring right there? That's what you guys need to buy. You need to buy the whole kit at Home Depot. I got this for $14, and that's how you guys use your compression puller made by Husky. I got this for $14 at Home Depot. I hope you guys learn how to use the Husky puller. $14. You're not gonna get wrong. You can do it by yourself, DIY. I'm a DIY guy. I'm not a plumber, and it's my third time that I removing the the copper ring or the periole to the copper pipe. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. Till next time, guys. May you guys have a wonderful day today. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you all. Bye for now. See you at my next video. Kindly share, subscribe, and like to my channel. Bye.